sketchy trails are the fun ones.
This is getting so overgrown. Yeah. The branches, dude. The branches are so gnarly. Oh my. That's so gnarly. All right, yeah, you gotta go left here. Woo.
Dude, that was sweet.
That was...
Can you keep going that way though?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hang on, this might not even be a trail. It is, we're good. It's just gnarly. Holy crap. Okay, hang on. Holy crap. Hang on, wait for me. I'm definitely gonna need help with this part. I'm still not sure if there's even anywhere to go here.
Oh no. No. Oh.
Low side foot on the peg.
Yeah.
But I understand that was not an easy maneuver.
Yeah, I just didn't have enough gas. It stopped moving. One
So
sec.
you might need to rotate the bike.
Okay. I think you did most of that, to be honest.
Oh, I helped. You were supporting it. It was a good effort. So this, I don't even know where to go. I think this might be the end of the trail.
That's fair.
Because this gets really, really steep.
Yeah.
And I just had to lug it. I might... You can give it a shot. I'm going to head halfway up.
I'm going to come up a little bit.
Once you get to...
I'm not going to come too much further.
Once you get to about this point, you just need throttle, so...
Okay. Do you want me to... Oh, are you... Okay.
I'm just like right there.
Is there a spot for me to stop then?
Yeah, you can probably pull in right behind me. Keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. Keep it going. Use your clutch if you need to. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, Wile E. Coyote.
Oh boy.
You stayed on it. This is not easy. I want to preface this. Oh my gosh.
Is it still a trail there?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Dude.
Worse than it was down here?
Yeah. It was, I just took it slow, so I had plenty of traction. Kill the bike. Nice. Yeah, either stall it or kill it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's so gnarly.
Dude, that was fun.
Do you think you can get going again?
Probably.
You're pretty close.
Yeah.
You're good, you're good. One more breath, you got it. Plant that right foot, you're good, you got it. Keep going. All right, I'll kill it.
I was shaking, but I made it.
Okay, turn your, hold on. Take it slow, take it slow. You don't want to back down that.
Yeah.
Here, you got your foot?
Yeah.
You might want to plant that foot. I know that's against the rules, but I'm going to be picking you up. So, all right, put your wheel straight. Yeah. That's so Wile E. Coyote, dude. Oh my goodness. I think we should take our helmets off.
Okay.
Hike down the trail a little bit and see if there's anything up around this corner.
Sounds good to me.
If it does, it's whatever. You're good, you're clearing it.
Nice. Oh, I just had a stick go into my mouth for a second. That was exciting. Oh, hey. There's another one I went off to the left, a little bit below. Dude, this is it. This is it, right? There's a lot of cow pies. Oh, wait. What? Yeah, I think this is it.
What? Dude! What? That was a weird laugh. What? I've never had such a scream at me camp spot thing in my life. What? Dude, we could put a fire right in there and just cook right here. Yeah, I think this was an old house. Are you kidding me? Yeah, here's some old timber. There's been fires here. Pretty recent ones, it looks like. Dude. Oh, there's a mine? Oh, no way. How long has this been up here, dude? I rode right past this last time. If it wasn't for you looking out for a mine, we would have never, or a camp spot, we would have never found this. This is a mine. I think it's just filled in. No way. Holy crap. People have been walking here. Yeah, I think it's all blocked off though. Well guys, we've definitely found camp. It's gonna be an awesome night. I'm happy to have my friend Landon here, who's willing to let me put him in incredibly inappropriate positions on his motorcycle. It's a weird way to say that, but it's true. Well guys, let's get camp. You're a lot more elegant with fire starting than I am. That's like Boy Scouts of America style right there.
I learned from the best.
Somebody was a Boy Scout.
Oh yeah. Dude, friction fires are surprisingly hard to do.
Oh, I believe
I'll say, as far as my fires go, that was definitely one of the cleaner ones.
it. Nice. So, how many donuts do you think I could fit into my armpits?
No, that's a good question.
I agree.
Are we talking squished or unsquished?
Yeah, that's the thing about this question is there's so many variables.
Yeah.
Is it donut holes?
That's
Just,
true.
I could fit like good 5 or 6, like really cram them in there.
Yeah.
But if we're talking like bear claws, maybe 2.
If we're
Like,
talking,
does this count?
yeah.
Like if I could like,
So like how far out?
yeah. Melodies deep.